Hi guys, this is Diane. On this video, I will share one of the most recommended methods to earn money online. And the best thing about this is need mo lang mag-copy and paste right after we create and set up your account. Rest assured, this is very legit, no referral needed, and marami na ang kumita dito. So just follow these 6 steps and make sure you don't miss any important information. So step 1 agad tayo.
Property account creation. Gagawa tayo ng property account and I will explain later on what is property account and why it is needed when we proceed to step 2. Open your Facebook using mobile phone or PC and then click this pages icon. Sa mobile phone, tap this icon at the top right portion and click pages. Click create and then make a name for your Facebook page. So I'll name this page Home Trends, but you can write here anything since pwede naman tong ma-change if ever nakapag-decide ka na later on. After writing the page name, select or type the category. Advertising/marketing, then click next. You can add your contact and location, but for now, skip lang natin to by clicking next. Select na natin yung profile picture and cover photo of our page. I use Canva to create this one, but you can also search on Google para mas madali. After that, click next and then click invite friends. The page needs at least 30 followers since it is required in step 2 later. After inviting, click next again and then done. So we now have a Facebook page that we can use for step 2, which is about Involve.Asia registration. Click the link on the description box to register or just type on your browser using your phone or PC. Involve.Asia. Now the question is, how can we earn on this website just by copy and pasting? To make things short, sa Involve Asia, you can generate Shopee or Lazada links to make your own affiliate link. You will get up to 12% commission. This is what we call affiliate marketing. For example, if may bumili ng 50k laptop sa Lazada gamit yung link na pinost mo, and yung commission rate is 5%, then you will have 2.5k as commission sa isang bilihan lang. So let's proceed to the account registration. Click this login button and then click sign up here. Fill up your personal information and also create your own password. Since my main account na ako sa Involve.Asia, I'll use another name instead. Sa property details naman, dito natin magagamit yung ginawa natin sa step 1. I-register natin yung Facebook page na ginawa natin, but make sure it already has the minimum requirement na minention ko sa step 1. Go back to your Facebook page and then copy the page link. If mobile phone yung gamit mo, just click this ellipsis and then click copy link. Paste the link under property URL. Then under property display name, type the name of your Facebook page. Property type is content, or it depends on what type of property you have. Property category depends on your Facebook page, which sa akin is others. Country topic dapat is Philippines. And after that, click the checkbox for terms and conditions agreement and click create account. So may isasend silang verification sa email mo, and all you need to do is open the email and click the verification link. After verifying, mapupunta ka pabalik sa Involve.Asia. And then, click Dashboard Access. Here, it is said that your property is being reviewed. Please allocate up to 48 hours for approval. In this section, we will see how many clicks and conversions you made and the total earnings you have. So yung clicks is the number of people who click your link, and then conversion is kung ilan lang yung bumili sa product gamit ang link mo. Step 3. Advertiser application. Click this profile icon and then choose website/property. We can see na pending pa yung property na in-enroll natin. But sa main account ko, I already have 4 enrolled properties But isa lang dyan yung nagamit ko pa so far. Kahit Facebook page na may 30 followers lang, ay enough na to start earning money. And as your Facebook page grows, mas kikita ka pa by doing affiliate marketing using this site. But if meron ka pang other accounts, you can click this Add New Property button and then fill up the details. So in this step, since approved na yung property natin, let's go to Advertiser Directory by clicking Partner and then Advertiser Directory. Dito, makikita mo ang mga brands na pwede mong applyan like Lazada, Shopee, Canva, and more. Now, try natin mag-apply dito sa Coda Shop. Click this checkbox and then submit. Application approve agad, but there are brands that would take 1 to 2 days to approve your application. Step 4. Generate affiliate links. Click promotion and then deep link generator. Kung approved ka na sa Lazada and Shopee, generate or convert Shopee and Lazada links into affiliate links to earn commission. So dito sa baba, ito yung mga na-generate ko ng affiliate links. To do this, open another tab and then type shopee.ph. Then, select any product you want to promote or post. Much better if product na na-try mo nang gamitin to give honest reviews on your post. Click that product and then copy the link. Then go back to Involve Asia. Select the property where you want to post the link. In this case, Facebook page na ginawa natin. And then paste the Shopee link on this bar. The site will automatically detect that the link is from Shopee PH. And on sub-IDs, type any name you want to name the link and then click Generate Deep Link. Step 5. Copy-paste the affiliate links to your property. So ito yung na-generate na affiliate link and copy it by clicking this button. Paste this to your Facebook page and add captions like the name of the product and your honest review if there is. Yung mga product na ipopost mo is dapat inline sa page para mag-grow yung page mo. Step 6. Monitor performance report. Since we are now done with setting up our account, yung step 4 and 5 na lang yung uulit-ulitin mong gawin. From time to time, monitor mo lang yung performance and conversion report by clicking this one. Reports, then performance report. Since this month pa lang ako nag-start and less than 10 products pa yung na-generate ko na link, yung total sales ko pa lang is $331 US. And then yung estimated earnings is $8.19 US. I haven't started marketing on my new Facebook page, so I might have to start since the potential earnings here is unlimited talaga. Ito yung mga kinita ng ibang mga affiliates and sana lahat tayo makaabot nito. Regarding sa payment, pwedeng PayPal at pwede ring bank transfer. But since I haven't reached the minimum withdrawal which is 80 MYR or 17 USD, then sa follow-up video ko na lang ipapakita yung withdrawal process. Rest assured, this is very legit. Marami nang kumita dito and itong site na to is very reputable. So that's it. If you like to know more about earning sites and apps, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Salamat sa panonood and God bless sa journey mo.